Hey everybody, I'm back with another mukbang and I got my Kevin here. We're going to have tacos today. Well, it's chicken tacos. And I'm going to use mine with this spicy ranchero sauce. And we got some Doritos. Kevin loves these. Put a little bit on our plates.
I'm not putting it.
Do you want me to put some on your plate?
Not yet.
Okay. Oh. It's good. I'm gonna try. This is chicken, red onions, tomatoes, and cheese on this whole wheat tortilla boat thing.
Can I put sauce on it?
I'm sitting on my knees.
Because we couldn't see, the camera couldn't see
Our food, and I'm like, it hurts to sit on my legs. So I'm sitting on my butt now. And you can't see me. Hey, you can't see me.
to watch. What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
Funny. Oh. You don't see much napkins. Why did you put too many napkins pulling out by accident? I'm going to roll it back off. Because I was going to get
Drink some water. I don't like this setup.
Why?
Because I don't want to sit on my legs.
You could just...
I'm going to pull this chair up.
And then, when you sit on the chair, you just got to sit far away. You can't sit close. So...
Good idea, Lynn.
See what I mean?
All they really need to see is my mouth. Put it in my food.
They would like to talk to you.
And counters in the back. How's yours, bud?
Nice.
Why don't you dump some of that out?
Why? I'm trying to bring it in. Instead of dumping. Yeah, I should dump a little bit. Plus, I have this for Doritos. That's Connor smashing.
Why don't you sit down so they can see you?
Can't. I don't like it.
What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about the egg.
What?
I want to talk about the egg because I'm looking on salsa off my fingers. Where did Doritos go?
They're over here. I'll get them for you.
They have some gummy before.
I took it down. It is.
You get some.
You can have some light water.
You know that I don't drink all of it before you're done.
Yeah.
I've never had Doritos with salsa.
Good?
Let
me try.
I'm going to set out a little bit more salsa.
Why don't you eat your food on your plate first?
Why are you stealing mine? Is it because I'm the only one who has salsa?
Mm-hmm. The reason why we're over here, and it's a really bad view, is because my phone's dead, and that's what I record on, and the only plug is right here. So, my phone's plugged in while we're recording. That's why you guys can't see me.
You could just move back a little bit more.
I know, but then I won't be near my plate.
No. That's all you gotta do. But when you're done with that and you want to put it down right there. And look, just move back a little bit. No, not that much.
It's okay. I'm comfortable. Try it.
Right there. And if you want, you can put that back down.
Sorry, Mom.
Excuse me.
Throw in bed, bud.
Sorry.
My other son in timeout.
How do I get so much sauce on the table?
Uh-huh. Come say hi.
Dude, get your clothes on first.
Hi.
Jerry's never been in a video.
Oh,
Dude.
I'm gonna have a Dorito.
I said he's never
No.
been in a video, right? I've never seen him in a video.
Mom, can we still go to the time?
Maybe.
And candle. And
You want to talk about that?
School's starting soon, huh?
Yeah.
yay!
What grade are you gonna be in, Jerry?
He's going to be in kindergarten. I'm
You
gonna
excited?
Yeah.
How about you?
First grade.
Wow.
He's going into last.
Huh?
Kevin
done
wanted
school already.
is so much butter. He was a nice butter. And he felt my brother. Mom.
What? Alright,
If
how
you
do I
don't-
explain it?
If you
That
don't,
wasn't meant for you.
if you don't like the light, leave it subscribed and we won't.
It looks like I
do
don't
it
have any
here.
pants on, but I do. I have
What?
shorts on.
What?
Colin, and put another.
What's the matter, Carter, baby boy? Want some more hot dogs? That what? Some more little hot dogs?
Another piece.
Alright, Bobby.
Can you look this all the way on?
Alright, guys. I figured that I would show you guys my kitchen. How it's coming along.
That happens.
Well, I can't turn it around, so let me come in here. Alright, so that's the dining room where the table used to be. And I used to do my videos at the kitchen table. Here's where the cabinets are being put in at. The dishwasher's going to be in that spot, and then the sink. And then that's all my countertops. Some more cabinets. That's where the stove was and will be. And that's where the refrigerator will be.
This is where.
So it's
The refrigerator is going to be right here.
this is where my kitchen was.
No,
At one point.
don't.
It's a mess, but I will have it there sooner or later, and I'll be able to cook food instead of eating, you know, crap. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. My crazy boys are home.
Calm down.
Say bye.
Bye, man. And subscribe. Push the
The like button.
The like button. And,
Bye, everybody.
and try
I
to.
hope you like this video.
And try
Say subscribe.
And please subscribe to this video if you want to come to this house
All right, say
and know all
bye.
these people.